Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review recommendation and a test of a product that I got here from a company called The Chasing, and it is the Canfish camera, CamX. Capturing the thrill is their motto. So this is an underwater camera that you can take pictures of. You can use it for a lot of different things. You could use it just to see underwater. You could use it when you're diving, but it's designed to attach to your fishing pole and go down there and actually see the action is basically what it's for. It's pretty cool. You know, we as fishermen, I'm a professional fisherman. I do fishing charters, take people out fishing, and I've always said some of the reefs and wrecks that I fish out in the Atlantic, I said sometimes I wonder what's down there, because sometimes we get into fish that bite that you can't move them. They're either giant Goliath groupers or big sharks or whatever, and it would be so cool to see what's down there and the action and all that kind of stuff. So I was so excited when I got this. Let's take it out of the box here. We'll see what's in there. See if I can get it out there. All right, I'll tear everything up there. Oh, gotta cut that. They tape everything. It's packaged really, really well. But what I'm going to do is, where I live out here in Florida, I have a little pond in my backyard here, and in a little bit I'm going to go over there. And I'm just going to lower it in the water because we have fish everywhere out there. I'm not going to really fish with it yet. I'll do a few other separate videos to where I actually go out to the reefs and wrecks. We haven't been able to get offshore the past few weeks. We're in winter right here, and the ocean's just been very dangerous. So, and our inshore waters really aren't that calm, or clean rather, to be able to see anything down there. So here we got it packaged. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. The box is huge. I thought it was going to be like this big, but okay. So pull it out of the box. It's packaged really nice. So it's got a internal memory card. So the memory card is sealed, so you have to download the app, and then I think it transfers to your phone. Then what I would have to do, since I use some pretty intense editing software, Premiere Pro and all that kind of stuff, I'd have to take the memory card on my phone and then put it on my desktop here. So, okay, so we got it out right here. It's pretty light. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, too. See, the pictures, when you look at it online, it looks heavy, and it looks like something that's like 2 foot long. So there, you turn it on and turn it off. It's got a nice protective cover on it. I forget what it's waterproof to. So it says it's waterproof to 656 feet. I'll never use it that deep. The deepest some of our reefs that I fish are maybe 80, 90, maybe 120 feet deep. 136 degree ultra wide angle. It's got two settings, 720 p at, like, I think 60 frames a second, then 1080 at 30 frames a second. So if you're going to slow it down, you know, to the 720 for slow-mo action, you're going to use a little bit of, you're going to lose a little bit of video quality. 138-minute battery life, so that's pretty cool. Wireless charging and hands-free operation. Starlight guides. Oh, that's right. So it's got lights that come on if it gets dark down there where you're fishing, all that kind of stuff. So you got the camera right here. Now let's see what else came in this bad boy. So you've got the, what is this? Oh, I just ripped the hat here. I was trying to keep everything nice and clean. Okay, so this is the bobber. That's right. So I guess if you're lure fishing, you could take from your rod to here, put on some heavy leader, then from here some lighter line to your bait. And then that's how you're going to be able to see the fish. But let's say you're in bobber, using a bobber. So that's what this is for. If I'm not mistaken, this would go down like that. So if I'm not mistaken, yeah, because it doesn't. Or no, it goes like, maybe it goes like that. No, it's got to go like that. So there it goes. Yeah, because there we go. So there you go. That goes like that. And then you tie it onto there. And then the camera's down here, which that's a pretty good idea. I might even do that out in the lake too, because where I'm at, it's only like 2 foot deep, and we have bass and bluegill everywhere. The water's clear right now because it's a little cool down here. So it comes with your directions and all that kind of stuff. And it looks like it's got an instruction QR code, the Chasing website QR code, and then the Canfish app QR code that you could download in the App Store, depending on what phone system you're using. Other than that, it's pretty neat. Everything looks really nice. I'm excited to go try it. And I'm going to be posting up a few videos. So this USB-C charger, we all got those. And here's the wireless charging port. So you're going to plug it into a USB port. There you go, yeah. So it's, right there's the charger. And they say it's wireless charging. And I'm not going to go into all the detail over charging and all that kind of stuff. This video is more of me as a charter boat captain saying, hey, let's take it out of the box. Let's go put it on some fish and see what it looks like. And then as time goes by, I'm going to produce more and more videos and be able to see what the quality of this is. So there you have it. The Canfish Fishing CamX underwater camera. Let's go do some video footage outside and you can check that out.
Okay, so I walked out back to the little pond I live here in my backyard. Inside it we have bass, bluegill, turtles, everything that you'd find in Florida. And our water temperature is fairly cold right now compared to what it normally is, so the fish aren't as active as it was. But what I did is I just put it on a fishing pole, no bait, no lure, anything like that, and I just lowered it down to the water, so that way you could kind of just get an idea of what to expect when you get this. And right off the bat there, you saw a couple fish, some smaller bluegills. But one thing I do like about this little camera is that it's going to be awesome at our reefs and wrecks, because out there in the Atlantic Ocean, our reefs and wrecks get really, really clear. And I've always wanted to see what's down there, what we're fishing for. So again, it's the 1080 HD 136 degree wide angle lens. It's got lights on it that automatically come on. And it just looks like a fun thing to do, because we've all, as a fisherman, and I think of my grandpa back in the days when they didn't have technology like this, and it's just going to be so cool to be able to go out there and put a lure on, cast it out there, or put some bait on there, and actually watch the action, watch the fish's behavior. So if you're looking for a great camera to use for fishing and underwater activity, and you can use your imagination, use this for a lot of different things. The Canfish Fishing CamX from Chasing is an awesome thing.